pune pepe kanwa tolomun iborene mame kesang.
Apotalu pokono Afrika itwa bangutu emawele la jokani keda inyolos.
Iko kuoku yeni munon ene subunita keda aisa na jokan.
Kwa pekatan wako na eleleta kipinu ajokaka kanwa matanar.
Erai todolikini yes ediopete bon taskalaga le yauni borar. Ogwelelo kono balo edunya tarijo. Mama Johnny Tegelo etunganu ikarito manaka nyoni kwa omaso choite.
Yes, welcome back from that very short commercial break. Let me come to Timothy Osinde, also from Housing Finance Bank. Yes, Timothy, many a time we hear people talk about vehicle and asset financing, VAF. What is entailed in this?
Thank you so much, the moderator, and thank you so much, our viewers in TESO. When we talk about vehicle and asset financing, mainly we are looking at a way that the schools they can be able to acquire both assets that they can use in their different facilities. And as Housing Finance Bank, we are really very passionate when it comes to the schools and the education sectors, whereby you find, when we talk about now the vehicle, here we are meaning how you can be able to purchase buses, trucks, vans, tractors, and seeing the new curriculum that has come in, whereby it really needs the school to have these different assets. For example, when we come to asset financing, I mean basically the talk about the computers, talk about the laboratory equipments, whereby you find with this new curriculum, most schools, they really need these very assets in school so that the students, they are able to perform well. Asset financing actually goes ahead to seeing even how the school, they can acquire the solar system. And with Housing Finance Bank, we are seeing how to promote it in different ways, which is really very cheap and flexible when it comes to the payments. You find that we restructure our payments so that the schools, they are not facing a lot of challenges when it comes to their payments, and our payment period is up to a maximum of 60 months. We are able to finance these assets up to a percentage of 90%. That means it's really very affordable that the schools, they are able just to contribute 10% of the total cost of that asset. And when you see with us, all those assets that they are being provided, they are always insured and at a very attractive interest rates that I don't think any school should miss this at this period.
Wow, what a product. Just for the interest of time, let me go to Madam Akol. Madam Akol, there is also what you call bank assurance. And we want to understand. Yes, we want to understand. The public is very much interested in understanding what you always mean when you say bank assurance, and how does the public that you're addressing today benefit from this?
All right, thank you so much. Yes, my name is Akol with Housing Finance Bank Sorority Branch. So I believe bank assurance is a term that is so it's new to many people, especially here in Teso region or the northeastern region. So bank assurance is a twin that has come is a twin word that has come out from the word bank, then insurance. So to bank, assure. That's what bank assurance is. So in summary, bank assurance is a partnership between banks and insurance companies that allows the bank to sell its insurance products on the customer's behalf. Gone are the days when insurance companies used to come and direct, you could come and see Jubilee, ICA direct looking for these clients. No, it's not that thing again. Now they come to the banks and the banks do everything for them. So majorly bancassurance deals with the risks. Now, since we're talking about schools and products that the bank can provide to these schools in terms of insurance, these insurance products cater for all risks starting from laboratory equipment. Today, the drill, just as our mighty president says that science is the way to go, ICT is the way to go. So these equipments need to be insured in terms of maybe fire, theft, calamities that we cannot protect ourselves from. Then also students' personal accident and property insurance. And also school comprehensive insurance that is on property in terms of their cars, lorries, tractors, school property, just the buildings of the schools, then medical insurance of stakeholders. Today medicine is really quite expensive. They say it's for some hospitals are for particular individuals, some are not for some individuals. So with the insurance, you're able to support yourself. You may not have the money physically, but you have a medical card that is under an insurance company that you have an interaction with, then you survive from the money aspect. Then of course I talked about the motor vehicle. Then maybe to back up, note, for a risk to be insured, it must be uncertain. Please don't go and break your leg and then you come and say you want to be insured. No, it should be something that no one saw coming, not even you seeing it coming. So just a few examples of insurance risk could be, catastrophic? Yes, it's a natural disaster, natural edo we are in region here that a drought. Those ones, it is something that insurance can cover up. Then a moral hazard. Then also pure risk in terms of fire. For sure, ne oteso chut. You hear banyama kimeka itunganan, but the property has been lost. But if you had insured this property, trust me, insurance will cover what you had lost. Be the car has been involved in an accident, the insurance company will cover what you have lost. So the phobia we have oteso, be insurance nyametika kapun. Please try it. You will not make a loss. So just because of time, that was briefly what you had with bank insurance. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Now let me come to Ivan Olobo. Your colleagues have talked a lot about education while talking about Housing Finance Bank. But someone would be interested in asking, apart from education solutions, what other solutions are you offering to the public?
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Moderator. As Housing Finance Bank, apart from the education solutions, we also have other products that we give. And for now, the most interesting product that we have brought to this market of TESO is the incremental housing loan. In Luganda, they call it Zimba Mpola Mpola. But for us in Ateso, I can translate it as Iduku Motimot. In Uganda, we realize that most people build in phases. For example, you build land, then you save money for foundation, you raise the wall, then you buy iron sheets, then later. That one takes a lot of time, and on most occasions, some people get stuck on the way. Now, as Housing Finance, we have come up with this product. If you cannot save a lot of money and start construction at once, we can give you money in bits. For example, we can first give you money, you construct the foundation, or after the foundation, then you pay, then we continue with another loan for the wall, then we roof, then maybe after 2 or 3 years, you would have finished the whole construction project. Then for the customers who have houses that they have been stuck with for so many years, you have a house but you've got stuck at the beam level, we can pick you from that level, give you money for roofing it, plaster, and you have the house complete within the shortest time possible. The incremental housing product is one of the competitive products that we have with the lowest interest rates as of now. Apart from the incremental housing loans, we also have other products like mortgages. Mortgages are long-term loans that can go up to 25 years. We also give salary loans for people who are on government payroll. We give them salary loans, and even individual companies that employ people, we just need to have an MOU with that company, and we shall start advancing salary loans to their employees using their salary income as a source of payment. We also do trade financing, water and energy loans, diaspora banking for people who are outside. They can send money through Housing Finance Bank to the people at home. We also do bank assurance, and we have a lot of products.
Now, after giving us a lot of those products that so many people could be interested in enrolling into right now, how do we contact you?
To our listeners outside there, we are located opposite MTN Service Center along Query Road. the house just after, between the Neku Shoppers and the Vision Fund. There's a new building there. You will find us there. However, we also have our agents in town. We have an agent just opposite Goldman. We have another one in town and in very many other places. Thank you so much.
Wow, thank you so much. And my lines are open. I want to receive some callers who may be wanting to ask one question or the other. 0772949628 or 0701884021. You can also choose to send an SMS 0775840832. In nome number, enoti kanyari yari, ikanyangon won kanyangon kanyapi yari kiri kanyauni araibo, enoti kanyare noti diope kanyaun wongon enoti yari kede ediope. Ajaine kede timulo elo multi housing finance bank iroda enerata kironwe po jolo tion kitaita chesemero etachete kese somero opona loe partner en tatamatana n kese ponengon sodu bojora lui duki do kuroko jangi taine kontogo e pedorte kesa burna ngeta kine kontogo toma pattern noi. Voice of Teso, hello.
Hello.
Yes. Your name and where you're calling from? Your name?
This is Martha Kichinjaji.
Yes, Martha Kichinjaji.
I heard of Irika Kinetogo.
Yes.
What if I have a plot, then they build for me?
Okay, they will be able to respond to that question. Voice of Teso, hello.
Hello, Yogano.
Yoganoi.
Michael Asamuko.
Yes, Michael Asamuko.
Kona jasino kedeto golo joringi bim.
Yes.
Soro kona hena fikising sirigini. Ite sireti kecherauni sirigini diara kutokiri milioni nekai.
Okay. Ebongweni kwa na kesi aingisete ngini. Voice of Teso, hello. Hello, Voice of Teso.
Hello.
Yes, your name and where you're calling from?
I'm calling from Katarizio.
Your name?
Okero Joseph.
Your question?
What if I have a house? I've finished even roofing, and even if are there. One only to plaster.
Okay, he will be able to respond to that. He only wants to plaster the house. He has done his part. Will the loan be available? Iro, akoronga ijaun la wasia. 0772-949-628. Voice of Teso, hello. Hello, Voice of Teso.
Hello.
Yes, your name?
I'm called Sam.
Somewhere?
Otuboy.
Yes.
I wanted to know about if I wanted like 500,000, can they give me also?
For doing what?
For business.
Okay, thank you so much. And due to the interest of time, so many callers want to raise questions. So many are following us on social media pages and live on radio. So many thousands of people, if not millions of people, are following us. And I want to bring it back to you. Many of the questions to you, Mr. Ivan Olobo, if you could respond to some of those questions before we end our program.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Moderator. Most of the questions are on incremental housing loan. To all our listeners there, the first question was, I have my house at plaster level. Can the bank help me to complete? Fine, the bank can help you complete the house as long as you meet the minimum requirements for any loan. And the minimum requirements for any loan, we all know a stable source of income and a security. If you can provide, then the bank will provide the money. Then there is a madam who asked from Kichinjaji that I have my land. Can the bank help me do the construction? Yes, the bank can fund the construction of houses since we are a mortgage loan. a mortgage bank, we have what we call home loans. These are home loans. These are loans that are designed for people who want to construct and own houses. Shall we request, Madam, wherever you are, you can get time and visit the bank for more information. Someone asked about our interest rates. I can gladly inform our listeners that Housing Finance has the most competitive interest rates in the market. And if you want to know more in details, we visit the bank opposite our MTN Service Center. You will know them in details. Then there is a customer who asked, can someone who wants 500,000 for business also get a loan with Housing Finance? The answer is yes. As Housing Finance, we give loans from 250,000 up to, I don't know how much billions the customer will want, but we are ready to serve. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Our time is up, but let me come to...
Someone wanted to plaster.
Oh, someone wanted to plaster,
Charles
yes.
from Kapelebiom.
Yes.
Wants to plaster his house. Of course, we talked about Zimba Mpola, Eduku Mot.
Yes.
So that means we finance every stage of construction. So Charles, you can come. We'll help you plaster the house.
Thank you. Mr. Osinde, your last word in just 30 seconds as we end this show.
Thank you so much again for the opportunity that the moderator have given me. And I would like to thank all our listeners that have been very attentive and have been listening to us, that come to Housing Finance Bank. We are really functioning and we are having a very active squad or team that is really willing to serve you anytime. You're most welcome.
Thank you. Madam Akol, your last word as we conclude the show in just 30 seconds.
All right. Thank you so much, Voice of Teso, the people's choice. That is 88.4 FM.
The number one choice radio.
Exactly. Yalama Noyamina Housing Finance Bank Sorority Branch. We're here to serve the people of Teso and beyond. We're here to stay. We work Monday to Saturday up to 2:30. So feel free for inquiries. You wanted to ask your question at Abunero line. Please come and walk into the bank. We shall serve you. And please, the bank is here for everyone. May God bless you all.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Housing Finance. Right from Timothy Osinde, Madam Akol, Gabriel Okonye, and Ejakait Lo Enyarita Ivan Olobo. Thank you so much for educating the public in the Voice of Teso Radio, and thank you for choosing Voice of Teso. My name is Moses Musa. Till we meet again, big ups to you.
Sport, lunch, shopping, fuel, everyday life. But what if those everyday payments could upgrade your lifestyle? Now they can. Pay any merchant with Airtel Money and you could win from over 50 million Ugandan shillings in exciting prizes. The more you pay, the higher your chances of winning. Simply use the My Airtel app or dial *185 *9# and your everyday payments could upgrade your life every week.
Airtel Money. Instant, secure, borderless.
So, Muchara.
Yes, Daddy.
You know the children are going back to school and things are a bit tight, huh? For now, why don't you take half of the fees to junior school, and for the school van contribution, we shall pay later, huh?
Daddy, why don't we pay using MTN Momo, where we stand a chance of winning school fees for a whole year and more? By the way, you can also apply for a school fees loan, and also participating schools can win a school van.
That's right! Win school fees for a whole year and more. Get Momo goodies and a school van for participating schools. You can also apply for a school fees loan. Simply dial *165 *80# or use the Momo app.